total debacle disaster so far this morning. Good morning, stop 3. Skagway. It's supposed to rain at 4 o'clock. 30% chance. What's the chances?
You just said it.
I know. Finally off the little boat. 45 minutes later. Train's supposed to leave in 5 minutes. We'll see how this works. That's funny. We're moving. Alright, so we just finished the White Pass Summit. I absolutely loved it. I stood outside the entire time and I'm frozen, but it was so good. What was it like inside?
Toasty, comfy. Hey, I loved it too. It was beautiful. But yeah, I chose to stay in and stay warm. But the views were amazing.
It got colder and colder the more up you got, and then into the clouds, and you could feel the ice on your face. Thumbs up. I would do it again.
Absolutely.
Now, let's go explore
Skagway.
Skagway. That's where we are. It's been a long day. We're starving, so we took the first place that had food. Bonanza Bar and Grill. I saw fish and chips on the menu outside, so it can't be that bad. All I know is it's absolutely freezing and I need some good food. Maybe some liquor. I know it had a lot of alcohol in it, I just didn't taste it. I don't hold my alcohol very well, but I like it. Where were we? Bourbon Cafe?
Bonanza Bar and Grill.
Bonanza. God, I was really
Bourbon
close.
Cafe.
The drinks were phenomenal. I will give them that. I'm feeling really good. The food, it was okay. I've had better fish and chips.
Fish and tacos were good.
The tacos were good. Stay away from the fish and chips. How about that?
Froggy Grizzly. It's a dark roast glacial coffee house. It's good. Very good.
You don't like dark roast.
I know, but she talked me into it. She said everybody gets it. Locally made in Haines, Alaska. I thought I'd try it. Pretty good.
What'd you think about little Skagway?
I liked it. That was a cute little town.
Very pretty.
You pointed out something interesting. The vendors were not as aggressive. They were far nicer and more polite,
Yeah.
which was nice.
Juneau's, their people were very, very aggressive.
The history of this town is really neat with the railroad and the whole thing with the Klondike and people searching for gold. It's very fascinating. It's a neat little town. I like it a lot.
And now you see no Skagway. It's been swallowed by the fog. It is like a scary movie. This place just doesn't seem real.
This may be the best place we've ever seen. I think it's topped them all.